say I play download now. Hell yeah, bragging rights. Yes! You join us at the back end of Download 2025.
Behind some Portaloos.
Yes, some gorgeousness. I'm caffeinated up to the eyeballs and I can feel my heartbeat in my eyeballs. Where the caffeine has got
There's a lot happening in the eyeballs today.
So, funny turn of events yesterday. Did some interviews, very nice, awesome, that's what we're here to do. However, some bloke called Oz came up to me in the press tent and went, "What are you doing at 10 a.m. tomorrow?" And it is now.
Originally it was going to be
10 a.m.
sleeping, but not anymore. That was cancelled.
No, we are here to now play drums with, what's the band called again?
They are called Slay Duggee.
Slay Duggee.
They do songs from the show Hey Duggee. Not one I've ever watched before, but apparently it's very
I
entertaining.
don't think it's just songs from that. They do like.
I think they do other stuff.
Baby Shark as well. That's like their top hit.
Basically,
I don't think they wrote it.
They do a bit where they play a fill on the drums or a solo or something, and it's purposefully done really bad, and then they bring up someone from the audience,
like me.
Spoiler, it's going to be her, to do it not badly. So
Hopefully.
no pressure.
Hopefully.
I'm glad you brought drumsticks.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really class myself as a drum solo gal. I'm not sure what they're after, whether it's like a cool fill or whether it's like a full bit. So, and then I have to play a song afterwards that's like this crazy song about sticks because they're dressed as dogs. So of course they're talking about sticks.
It's one of those things where when a random man called Oz approaches you with that request and that opportunity, you just don't really say no because you want to see what's going to happen.
I guess
for the plot.
I guess just tell people I've played download and give them no
Yeah,
context
that
whatsoever.
is honestly, just to be able to add that to your CV.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Yes. So let's get to it, shall we?
Everyone, keep it cheer for Emma! Emma is the best human drummer in the world. Are you ready to hear Emma play drums? Emma, are you ready? Emma, 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 Emma. We're not worthy. Oh, hang on. This kid down here said something. What'd you say, mate? Stack Ozzy Osbourne.
Yeah.
Oh, Ozzy Osbourne.
Just
Where are you?
Ozzy.
Clear off, mate. We don't need you anymore. Right, who wants to hear Emma play a song with us? Who knows the song Stick? What's the first word? Stick. What's the third word? Stick. What's the 87th word? No.
Wrong. It's sticking.
It's sticking.
You're all wrong. Idiots.
You have failed.
You have failed. I'm disappointed. No, we're leaving.
All right, who's ready to stay?
We're not leaving.
You ready, Emma?
You guys will. She's heard it once, and now have you heard that?
It goes,
I've heard it once.
oh no, hang on, I'm going to explain to Emma. It goes 1 and empty, 2 8 and no, it doesn't. That's what you're speaking, isn't it? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This is what Emma does. This is what Emma does.
Alright, so do it as fast as you can.
Do it as fast as you can.
Are we ready? Are we all ready? Are you ready?
Now wait for the bass, wait for the bass. Here we go. Ready? I've just noticed you're not a talker. You can't be in the band song. Are you okay with it? One Eander, two Eander. What? How'd you say it?
One Eander.
Get off the stage with me. No humans. No humans.
Well, that was pretty cool. One drum solo down, one lav mic lost. We're now going to have to do all the interviews like this, I think. But yes, what a cool thing. I could say I played download now. Hell yeah, bragging rights. Yes.